Hello. Largely gloomy Monday across much of the UK. There's some fog around first thing. Still fairly misty and murky in a few spots. Not a lot of rain, but there has been some. There's a line of cloud, and so this is a weather front that's been sinking slowly southwards. As it has been doing, it's kind of getting stretched out, so the rain is fizzling out, but still, if you're stuck under this zone of cloudy weather, it will be pretty dull and damp for this afternoon over parts of northwest England, north and west Wales, for example. Otherwise, though, most places dry. A slither of brightness from Lincolnshire down towards Dorset, and certainly some sunny spells for Scotland and Northern Ireland, although the winds are picking up in the far northwest. Temperature-wise, well, still pretty mild for November, getting into the teens, where we see some brightness across the south and almost everywhere, getting to double digits. Through this evening, that zone of cloudy and damp weather will slip south, but the rain continues to fizzle out. So just a band of cloud moving across the Midlands into South Wales and southwest England. Ahead of it, some clearer skies maybe for a time, could allow some mist and fog patches to form, and it will get quite windy across the northwest, particularly through the early hours. That will keep the temperatures up here. Actually, probably the highest temperatures first thing in the morning over the northern and the western Isles. Elsewhere, we're well down into single figures, particularly where we keep clearest skies. For many, though, it's a chilly but cloudy start to Tuesday. There'll be some brightness over parts of eastern England. Most of England and Wales will have a dry day tomorrow, but for Scotland and Northern Ireland, another weather system moving in will bring rain to western Scotland, and for a time through the middle of the day, a band of rain crosses Northern Ireland. It's always pretty windy across the north as well. But further south, the wind's still pretty light. Again, some misty, murky conditions. If we see a bit of brightness, temperatures again could climb up towards the teens across southern England, so still pretty mild. Further north, 10 or 11 Celsius with a fairly gusty winds, and we'll see more showers coming into western Scotland on Tuesday evening. They could have a bit of snow over the tops of the hills, but rain to low levels for sure. And further south, it does stay largely dry. The rest of this week looking largely dry across the south. There will be rain at times across the north, and the winds will pick up this week. Not a huge amount of rain around. We'll have a full week ahead forecast for you on YouTube, so subscribe to our YouTube channels and make sure you're following us right across social media.